Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the treasure hunt in this box, in this case, K case, the bone shaker as you can see here, the treasure hunt logo. So I really wanted to buy a bone shaker, but I know there was one pack, with that monster truck one. So along with the smaller one, they released it, but I really didn't want to spend that much amount for a Hot Wheels, so I didn't buy that one. So I don't know. Maybe luckily they released the treasure hunt version. Maybe the livery is not really that good compared to that livery which they did it in the monster truck pack, but it does look really nice. Okay, let's unbox and see how this one actually looks. So again, I'm saying this. I bought this for 179 and I bought it from local store only, not from any online sites. So again I'm saying this, guys. So if you want to join my group, the link is actually in my post in YouTube only. Just go there and please check it once if you guys are really interested. And again I'm saying this, I don't encourage people who are selling for more than MRP. That group is more particularly towards people who wants to collect things at MRP, specifically Hot Wheels or Matchbox. So I really don't want any other person there who sells things for more than MRP and all those things. Okay, here is a treasure hunt logo. If you guys are wondering how it looks, or if you guys are new to this hobby, so treasure hunt is something, they do it for every case. There will be a treasure hunt and a super treasure hunt. So treasure hunt, it has this logo here, but nothing's much special on this treasure hunts. Only this logo, maybe a different kind of paint job compared to other releases they did on the same year. But the super treasure hunt has rubber tires and a spectra flame paint job. So and a different set of rims compared to the normal ones which they actually release in the same case. So if you guys are new to the hobby, know it. And I will definitely unbox the super treasure hunt. I do have that Mazda with me. I will be unboxing. Let me just show you that, guys, and just give me 1 second. Here it is. So this is a super treasure hunt. It will be having this kind of logo here. If you guys are new to this hobby, just understand that. And the TH logo here. So these wheels are actually rubber, and the paint job is, this is called spectra flame paint job. I'm not sure what the thing about the spectra flame paint job here, but I feel that is really shitty. It actually shows lot of irregularities in the paint job. Compared to that, you can literally see the cars here which are by Maestro and all. These things looks so beautiful, specifically the mini GT ones, even the Tomica ones. Okay, let's talk about this casting this time in this video. I'm really sorry I sidetracked a lot. Okay, so here it is. So the paint job looks really nice for a change. It does have some paint bubbles here, but okay, it is frame. Sometimes it happens on the frames. So there are no tail light details. So anyway, the headlight, think the eyes are supposed to light up if I'm not wrong. So rest of the casting looks really nice, and these things are actually plastic entirely. Only this white part is made of metal. So here, this, what is this? I don't know, cylinder kind of thing. And the interior, everything is actually plastic. The engine and every detailing is plastic. The treasure and logo is here. It will be on both sides actually. Yeah, it is here. So let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. You can clearly see there is a huge wheel wobble in that huge ass rear wheel. If you push it really fast, it is little bit hard to notice the wheel wobble, but you can actually see the circles going up and down. Overall, it's really nice casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.